definitely need to know this before you visit Ross Island. This is when you come to Port Blair in Andaman, you definitely want to visit this place. The reason being, everybody will take you. You have to pay 300 rupees if you want to get here. Up and down they will do it. Okay, and from there, if you want to go to North Bay, totally it will be totally going, being there, coming back. But if you're going to Ross Island, okay, they will give you only 1.5 hours to explore it, which was the very bad thing that I will tell you about it. Really, I'm telling you, I was very upset about it because this is a huge island, a lot of things to learn, see, shoot, record, all this stuff. Okay, so. And if you're coming, please don't come when it is going to be in the cyclone time or the monsoon time as such. This is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep. Dweep is your island, basically. Okay, so you try and understand it. If you're going to North Bay, if you have plans of doing water activities, go there. Otherwise, there's no point of going there. It's just the light of the day of the sea. Okay, so that is another thing that I'll tell you. But I didn't go to North Bay, basically. If I had to go for activities, I would have done in Elephanta, a beach which is in Havelock. Okay, they've got much more activities as such. I wouldn't have gone. Look at this, the first sight of the deer there. Okay, interacting with the people as such. Okay, you are told that don't feed them, but you will see people feeding. Well, I don't know why in the world do they do that. Okay, look at this. It's bright as of now. Look at this. Look at this. The deer is everywhere. The deer. I don't know if there is a plural for deer. Do we call it deers? I don't know. I have no clue about it. Okay, so that's something that I liked it. Okay, where we can interact with the animal which should be in the wild as such. Okay, this place actually was the capital of British when they were ruling India. Okay, so understand this part. There are a lot of things that you need to understand. Just understand one thing. If you just go to the lighthouse, to get down, get back up, it's 183 stairs. For an average person, it will take a long time to get down and get back up itself. Okay, and there is so much more that what I'm going to show you in this video as such. That itself is going to take time. And if it is going to rain, if it's raining, it's going to rain. See, the weather changed. It started raining. There was no rain when we got here. Now it is pouring. They made place for as a shelter for your deer and all that. And with the deer, you can be there as well. Take your dearest ones to be with the deer. Okay, so you can actually take photograph and all this stuff. I mean, I was quite scared that they have these horns. If anything is a little stupid and then it pokes me, I was worried. So I didn't want to tamper or be so close that anything will happen to them or to me. See how many are there. It is pouring outside. Now tell me, how are you going to walk around? How are you going to walk around and explore things? So what happens is, I don't get to see everything. Probably you can take that electric vehicle and go, but they will take you on the path and they will stop you. But if it is going to rain, if you come in the season that I have come in, you won't even be able to get off from that electric vehicle to go and shoot and come. You just won't be able to do it. This gentleman was feeding it. I asked him. He said that you can feed. You can't argue with these people. How can you go on giving them biscuits and all that to that? They're supposed to live on grass, right? Grass. Look at this. This is supposed to be beautiful. My eyes can see it, but I cannot take out any other camera to shoot it. This is a powerhouse. For the power, in the sense for electricity, they would use this place. I can see it better. Okay, but my Insta360 is not capturing. Low light problem. Keep that in mind. Other cameras, if I want to open it, I don't have anything which is waterproof. Okay, that was again a worry. All the things that you see is all covered with these roots. They have a swimming pool in front. Do you see it? For the recreation purposes, they've got this. I was actually upset that they just give us 1 hour and they pressurize. And I mean, so far people in Andaman were all nice. But here I didn't have a great experience as such from the guys who were booking agents or to the guy who brought us by boat. Okay, pathetic the way they deal with you. Okay, they don't understand that we are tourists. We just want some time. We want some time. Okay, I don't know if you want to make more money and you want to take us back. Okay, but how is that helping me? How is that helping me? They don't have an option where that if you would like to spend some more time, okay, what can be done about it? Can we go by next boat? No, because all the boats they bring in is all full. What do you do? What do you do? Look at this. I'm sorry about the quality of the video because one, it is dark. Second thing, the camera is not capturing. But I did go make an attempt. Okay, one thing about Andaman I will tell you, in the last 2 days that it has started raining, it doesn't even give you a warning signal that it's going to pour. There is no cloud formation in the sky that you will know that it will pour, like in mainland India. Suddenly it will pour, and you will not know when it will stop. Or now that it stopped, you decide to walk, it will start again. That's how it is. That's how it is. What can I do or what can be done about it? I don't know. And this is supposed to be a boiler house, okay, where for drinking purposes that point of time when British were there was contamination of water because they don't have storage of water here. Okay, so they had to clean the water, so they would use this place. Okay, this is the beauty. At least this has been captured. On the right is where the boiler is. It's all in black in color and and it is dark, and that also is not being captured. That's not being captured. Oh man. Oh man. So the path is very clear. It is all made. Okay, you can walk around and all this. So that's the best part. Rather than going by that electric wheel, it's best to go walk around and see that because you can see a lot of things and learn more things. Okay, but what can be done? What can be done? See this path that you see, that path on the left, you can go around like that and come back. Because it is raining, I decided to take the right. I decided to go right. Actually, what I see now is great. The tree and then combination. 1 o'clock, look at 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You know that, right? This one that I'm talking about. It's actually beautiful to look. But unfortunately, camera is not capturing it. So I'll show you this place now. They have built this place to show you light and sound show. That only happens when it is dark. Correct? They built it to talk about the whole Port Blair, what is it and all this stuff, what happened here, the Ross Island and all that. They will want to project it on this screen. There is that seating area on the left that we've already seen. But let me tell you, the last the boat which comes and goes is at 2:40. You think by then it will be dark? No, it's not going to be dark, people. That is so far from me. So let's see where we're going to go. Mostly I'll take it to Mount Harriet, okay, where it is supposed to be beautiful, where you can see Havelock from there, Neil Island from there, a lot of things. So I'll see you.